Hey guys, Don Cottom with 323link and Cloudroom AV. Today I want to show you some new things we're adding to our OneTouch system. So we build AV systems on Windows computers. And we're adding a new feature. In this case, I've got a OneTouch room that has two monitors. I have one monitor with my PowerPoint and one is just a blank screen. So we're adding these functions to the machine, and you see these two little tabs here to the top right. And these show up in every window on a OneTouch system. And so the first one allows you, let's say you have 4 monitors in the room as independent displays that might be going out to like 12 displays in the room. Well, first of all, you can always shift any window. Here's my PowerPoint window. I'm going to shift this over to the other monitor by hitting this monitor with an arrow button. I hit that, and there it is. So now you can see my PowerPoint shifted to the monitor that was the next monitor in the series or sequence. And then you can see I've got my browser here. I was actually looking at Infocom locations for the trade show this year. Please come see us at Infocom. But the other thing this can do is, I'm going to bring this back over. The other thing you see here is it also allows us to pick this second one that has 2 little monitors. This allows us to mirror any window or screen on any other screen. So I'm going to click this. It lets me pick the monitor that I want to mirror. In this case, I'm going to mirror the one that has nothing on it. And so here is that screen. I'll move my PowerPoint over to that screen. And here it is. I've got this windowed on this screen. So I can now have these 2 screens here. But at the end of the day, I can use this window on any other display in the room. I can go full screen. I can window size it. I could put multiple monitors on one screen. So it gives us a whole lot of flexibility, and we can activate these with buttons on the OneTouch interface or even with quick keys in the system. So this is a new feature coming out with the new OneTouch where you're going to have full control to display anything to anywhere, and we have basically a virtual video matrix built into the Windows computer. We also have an audio mixer and some other devices that are coming in for Infocom this year. All right, thanks a lot for checking it out. And please go check out 323link and OneTouch at 323link.com or cloudroomav.com. Thanks.